This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Gigi Frey. Staycation. Epperson Seven-Acre, Crystal Lagoon. This nearly new, maintenance-free townhome has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, loft, open living area and 2-car garage. The kitchen has a center island, granite counters, closet pantry. The kitchen overlooks the dining area, family room, and the beautiful pond. The master suite has a walk-in closet. The master bath has dual vanities and a shower. 2 spacious bedrooms upstairs with Jack and Jill bathroom. Epperson has an array of resort-style amenities including a Crystal Lagoon, event pavilions, cabanas, powder sand beaches, tidal pools, swim-up bar, obstacle platform, restaurant, dog park, and more. Convenient located near shopping, hospitals, PHSC, Center Ice, premium outlets, and I-75. For more information